Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri katanat puliputhi ka Jylla ubalak menrumbui hanaga sngi ulap lat ba ya ka Meghalaya School Performance Grading Index arja arpusan arpuhendriu ka jingpet Bniah ya ki Skul bat ka rukam penyat hakaling ka Jylla. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor Myntri katanat puliputhi ubalak menrumbui ulaong ba ya ka ni ka Mspgi lapan kre ada katanat puliputhi dak bapit Bniah lingba ki kaipot na ka Udais plus araja arpusan arpuhendriu kebakuntop kumba khatwe hajar sauspa saupulai tadi ki Skul na ka leng ki khat artali ki district jong ka Meghalaya uba lakmen uloong ru ba ka Mspgi kan penpawi ka Jylla ban trei kambha jong ki Skul omtang ki Skul sarkar handai ki Skul shimat ru kanikan aila ru bantip ya ka rukam trei kam jong ki Skul kinong hikai ka School Management Committee block bat ki board district kumjuru ha ka state level ban ithu ek jingklan jong ki Skul ban penbet ya ki jingduna bat ban a jingerap ha ki benta ki baran kam ya ka jingeram shu ulong ru ba ka jingle ek ni ka PGI ya ki Skul ha ka Jylla kalong ban tip ya ka Jylla ban trei kam ya ki kindon ha ka ni ka PGI kan kenthop ha ki khanyo tadi ki benta nado ka utkarsh outstanding ha ka kedan ka bahalor tam hado ka akanshi 10 ka badan kam ban kershan na ka benta ki Skul kani ka jing ai grade kan ayola de ki Skul bakin penbet de ka jing ai jing hikai bat ban penbyang ru yak jinon kam jong ka Skul ha ka juk ka por ki tu ki Skul ki bayo ya ka grade ka bahe la ai men sim ki bakin la ban trei kam bha shu katanat ka lukin tu ki bor ba dei pet ha ki block ba district ban pet thu ki Skul bat ki benta ki badan kam ban a jing kershan bat ban penbet la dodon ki jing bakla.
The purpose of this press conference today, as you know that the government of Meghalaya from time to time tried to do its best to keep the best education in the state. And this effort for the last 8 years, we have seen improvement. But having said that, as you know, so there are so many challenges which are there. So the Department of Education tried to do everything it is, try to do its best. But having said that, as I said before, challenge is there. And you know that recently the government of India have released the PGI score for the whole country. And we know in the state of Meghalaya where we are ranking. And to take this forward, that the government, because this is not only the endeavor of the government, it is that all the stakeholders have to join hands if we want the best education in the state. So we are trying to think what to do. I'm very thankful to the department, to the SEMAM, that we have innovated the first, I may say, the first of its kind in the country, where we have ranked the school where they are. The purpose of this is that every school should know how much is their score, where they rank, and what are the things to improve. So the ranking, the school have been taken map is 11,443 schools. It is a massive exercise. It is not a I'm very grateful to the team who are doing all this work. And out of this 11,443 schools, we are ranking state-wise, district-wise, so that, as I said before, the schools will know where they rank. And the ranking is based in different grades. Utkarsh, Uttam 1, Uttam 2, Uttam 3, Prasasta 1, 2, 3, Akanshi 1 till Akanshi 10. So the score is from 0% till 10% out of 100 point, 1000 point. So this is, so to say, PGI score is for all over the country, but this also our own state specific PGI score, so that the schools, different managing committee, different schools, they will know where they stand. So the purpose of this conference today, as I said before, that to release this PGI for the state of Mspgi, where these 11,443 schools, they will know where they are ranked and what are the things to improve. And these are done out of 43 domains. In the PGI, there are 73. And these are doing as per the UDICE score, which we take from UDICE and we compile it, and it becomes one mirror for us to look where a different school will look where they stand. And in this report, you will see there are some schools, the score is very disappointing. When I talk about 11,443 schools, it does not mean that only the government school. It means all the schools which submit the UDICE in the domain. And these also include even some CBSE school, or irrespective of the board. So in this ranking, you will see that there are some ICSE school, some CBSE school, so on and so forth. So as I said before, the methodology which we do, it is that we have taken from the UDICE and we rank them, and we keep the school. And this is not a one-off exercise. We'll try to do every year. If not, we'll try to do every year, so that to keep time to those schools to improve. And if they doesn't improve, that means those schools, they are not doing anything. So we from the government also, we may take necessary step that those schools should not remain, because that means, so as I said before, they will know, and this will make the school competitive amongst themselves. And when there is a competition, how to rank higher, we hope that the PGI school ranking will improve from this year 5 to 5.71 if we go higher. So I'm very thankful to Commissioner Secretary, to the Secretary Education, to the team who worked very hard. It is not very easy to get the record of all the 11,443 schools, but they did it. And as I said, this may be the first of its kind where a state government rank its own school irrespective of the managing committee, whether government, private, and everything. So that is the purpose of thing. And this score, not only that, this score, the different schools, they can download it, their mark sheet, so to say, their mark sheet, where they score, how they rank, they can download it, they will know. And when they see that, they can improve. And I'm very thankful to DSEO, SDSEO also, try to work very hard. I urge my officers from the district, the subdivision, and the block resource person, the BRC, let us work together. Our aim is that to give the best education to the student of the state. I have told you that Joy T. Sroat School, East Castle score 930 out of 1,000. And the bottom school is step by step Lawa Skay LP School, West Castle, a score only 26 out of 1,000. So these are the things, and everything is there in the report. And this report will be shared to all DSEO, SDSEO, and they can download it. The different schools can download it, and they will know where they rank and how to improve. The purpose of this school is not to demean any school, no. The purpose is that every school every managing committee should know where they stand. Because everybody, they want to improve. So the purpose is not to demean any school, but the purpose to keep to them where they are standing. And we hope by this they will reflect, as I said, the mirror is there, they will look and they will try to improve themselves.
Sir, you have left a few thousand schools because CM has said 14,000 something schools. So it is 11,443 schools. So you have left few thousand schools. What will be the fate of those schools?
See, all these things are doing as per the UDI's score, and all those who are doing those guys. And as you know that the process of rationalization is there, and some we have merged with the UDI's, this and that. So, but this is still a process. I'm not telling that we have finished. It is a work in progress, but we cannot wait for that. We have to give the true picture to the citizen of the state, more importantly to the schools, where they stand. That is the purpose of this. As I said, this is the first of its kind in the country where the state government by itself rank its own schools in the state.
In this process, are you also not exposing your failures by pointing out the mistakes of the schools?
It is, as I said, we are not demeaning or anybody, no. But if you hide anything, we are since day one, since 2018, when we took over the government on the leadership of Honorable Chief Conrad Kesanma, we tried to keep everything. You have seen in our website how much we have spent the money on the ad hoc grant, how much in every college we spend money. We are open, and this is also an open. Only through openness, through transparency, we can improve. So if we hide, that nothing can be done. We will not hide, we'll keep everything and we'll do transparently so that everybody will know where they stand.
So can you tell us among these schools where is there still a shortfall of teachers, where they're still facing challenges? Also, I wanted to shift focus to the lower school that you've mentioned step by step, which was that in West Khasi Hills. According to the UDI's criteria, what is it that was lacking, and then what needs to be worked, and also to focus on that were the shortcomings from the end of the government also that you're looking to.
See, I will tell you what are the things which the map. These are the subject. I'll tell you one by one. Poka building, art and craft room, as assistive tech-based solution for CWSN, availability of RAM, availability of handrail, boundary wall, electricity available, functional CWSN toilet, functional drinking water, functional hand wash near the toilet, library room, playground availability, rainwater harvesting station, school having functional desktop or laptop, library or book bank or reading corner facilities, separate room for headmaster, solar panel, functional boy toilet, functional girls toilet, separate science lab for higher section with science stream, integrated science lab, internet used for teaching, smart classroom, ICT lab, approachable by all weather road, level of ability of school, low, high, pre-primary section, accompany at the premise, vocational course under the NSQF, pre-vocational exposure to UP, the pupils to teachers ratio, the teachers trained for teaching CWSN, the percentage of teacher with a minimum professional qualification, school with the principal, head teachers, the kitchen garden, medical check-up, school implementation of CCE, percentage of students with APAR ID, percentage of students with Aadhaar ID, school constitute youth and eco club, percentage of teachers with Aadhaar, safety audit conducted, India kalapenmi, ya ka PGI score ke jongi, baro kari kabangi tipro, ba ngi layo ya ka score kumba sanspa arpusan point nyok we, ta harin kata ngi perkhat kumno ban improve susu, ya ka jinglong ke jingman, karukom ai jihkai hapo ka nega state ke jong, dem takadaw ka department na ai kuble ya officer di commissioner secretary ki officer khamtam na po asemam ki bala shimkhia ban penbit penbiang ya kaneka report kabang ai ya ka ranking kaneka de first of its kind kabang ko mapo kari kabaka state kalale ki state kilale khatway hajar south pa south light league score hapo ka state ke jongi ngi penmi ya ki hae kat no ki score kum no ki rank ki don ki top 20 ki don ki top 100 but baro ka school pat kat no ki score ki don ki score kabaka score jong ki kalong very low. Kadang kaduna bah, tegi happy ban improve. Tengah kajing penmi ya kane ka report kalong baki school baru kintip ka ka baki de banle. Kadno kiyo kenang bahagi ni sistem sistem ke banangwan kinla ban improve. Lada ki school ki improve kitip ki ayo ka ki cikna tuki ngakermen ba ka education system gujung. But ya kane lale tang nak benta ki school sarkar nginale nung tak hardway hajar south pa south light league school but ya kini point ke bagi score ni shimbaro na po ka ba ki score hapo ka yudais lang ba kata ni rang yaki tenga ai kuble yakini ki DSEO SDSEO ki BRC BRP jongi ki batreshtom nang yai tre knang ba phiru phinpe ki ki school ba phinla ban monitor shushu knang ba ki wan ra ya kaneka jing ai jing kai wa biam hapo ka state ke chumi te sa sin biam kan ne ka report ka ba ngi khot hang ne press nglamban pelai pai ba ya kan ne ka PGI ranking ke jongi hapo ka state.
So from these 11,000 plus schools that you've ranked, can you tell us which are the districts that have fared well and which lies at the very bottom?
See, different district they have a different challenge, different schools, and they have a different ranking. And we have seen that in this report, everything is written from all the district. So we have seen that the schools, and you will find that the number one school top in the top 20 is Jylla School Higher Secondary School. This is top school, and the score is 930 out of 1,000. Kamot kane kadika rank number 1. Ka bottom, kaba dunatam, kadika step by step lawa scale LP school, Westcast Hills, ka school yung karong tang arpun rew. Only 26 out of 1,000 is the bottom rank. So in this ranking, we are giving all the scores. So the ranking based on the scores. The lowest is there, and in different districts also we have given some different ranking, top 20 and the bottom 20, so that they will know. It is like we want that every school should challenge itself how to improve, and by challenge itself, it can challenge the other also to improve. Yes. For 11,443 schools.
That is completed 100%.
Yeah.
So recently, Supreme Court has passed an order regarding the sex education will be mandatory, in every school. So how is Meghalaya planning that? And basically, because the teenage pregnancy rate is very high here, so will there be any procedure regarding that?
See, that is not a new subject. In fact, we have already implemented all over the state the sensitization about the sex education, about and recently we have launched this in Paimam that she thrive, where that also linked to the welfare of the girl student. See, for those which are managed by the government, we will try to improve ourselves. We are not telling that, or you will know from the school where our government school also run. We also will try to improve for all the school which all the government run school. We will see what for the managing by the different. They have to try to find the source where to improve themselves.
So,
if there is needy fund available in the state, we are surely the door is not closed. But as you know, that we will look at the government school.
Sir, since this criteria is UDAI's thing, so whether all the schools in Meghalaya are actually they are enrolling in UDAI's
100% they are.
So just about the teachers, the shortfall, if you can just tell us where are they still running short of teachers and how are you filling up all those? When are we expecting?
We have around 700 plus teachers only in the common LP school, which vacancy, and the recruitment will be out very soon. So NTED is conducted today, and not only that, there are also some vacancy in the aided school, which the recruitment have not happened for the last few months or a few years. We will keep permission case-to-case basis, not randomly, case-to-case basis will keep. So recruitment will start in the few months' time.
So with MTED examination, it's surrounded by a lot of rumors. If you can at least clarify for our viewers about this.
There is no rumor. I don't hear any rumor.
About the
MTED is conducted, to the best of my knowledge, is going well.
Any leak?
It is a constitutional right of everybody to establish the school as long as they meet the all the criteria. But having said that, schools is not for a mere existence. It has to give education to the children. If they perform very bad, we will have to withdraw even the recognition also.
So how many years will you?
This is the first report. Let us not jump to conclusion. This is the first step. Maybe they don't know that they will be ranked like this. Maybe while seeing that, then they will do more. So let us not jump into conclusion. But this is, like I said, I urge every school to challenge itself, to improve, and moreover challenge the other also.
But how many years? 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? How many?
We have not come up with any plan for that. As I said, that if the school does perform, do a parent will send their children to that school? No. And if there is no student, what is the meaning of that school? You know, that is itself become non-existent. So that is the thing. So